Hi everyone, in this video we're going to have a look at chapter 4.6, just going over some examples about cubic models and applications. So looking at question 1, it says a rectangular storage container is designed to have an open top and a square base. The base has side length x meters and the height of the container is h meters. The total length of its 12 edges is 6 meters. So first thing with application questions is generally to draw a diagram of what we're working with. And in this example they've given us one on the side that looks something like this. Okay, so we've got a cube, rectangular storage container. Now the top is an open top, so there's no solid part on top, but we do have a base, a square base. So cube, and it says the base has side length x meters and the height of the container is h meters. So we'll label those as x is on the bottom and h on the height. And we might say the total length of its 12 edges is 6 meters. So all 12 edges is 6 meters. We'll use that information later. So part A says express h in terms of x. Well, how do we find h? To find h in terms of x, we're going to use our information, all 12 edges is 6 meters. So if we add x, 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 h, 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 and x is on there, we'll add up all to 12 meters. 6 meters, sorry. So how many x's have we got? Well, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's 8 lots of x's and 4 lots of h. And if we add all those up together, we get 6 meters in total. So rearranging a little bit, so we get 8x take 6 is going to be equal to 4h. Minus 4h, sorry. So what we can do to get h by itself is divide both sides by minus 4. Okay, so we'll have 1/4 of 6 take 8x equals h. Now I could simplify it a little bit more as expanding the brackets, we'll get 6 over 4, which is 3 halves, take 8 over 4, which is 2x equals h. Okay, so that's part A. H equals 3 halves, take 2x. Okay, part B asks us to show the volume V of the container is given by V equals 1.5 x squared take 2x cubed. So what we want to do is show that V equals 1.5, so 3 over 2 x squared take 2x cubed. So how do we get that? First thing, what is our general formula to find a volume of a rectangular cube, prism? So that's just simply our base times the height, or we can say length times width times height. Now, area of the base, we know x and x are the same. So base is going to be x squared, area of the base, and the height we've just worked out in part A. So we'll multiply that by our answer there. So we get x squared times 3 over 2, and we'll get 2x, and x times x squared is x cubed. And if you notice, that's what the question was asking. Okay, so pretty straightforward. We just need to start